MIIN Ojibwe, which it's an organization that is supporting Ojibwe immersion schools, and they have resources for immersion schools up on their website. So the different schools work together, and through this website now share some of the things they've developed for students, which is really useful for us at this point. So I just wanted to show you sort of how it works. You go to the website and you pick the grade that you're sort of targeting, and then you can see the different schools that have contributed materials for that age group, and you pick what you'd like to work on. So I picked sight words because I'm working on reading with my youngest, and so open the sight words and it goes to a Google Drive, and each folder here is a different sight word, and inside each of these folders they have a variety of worksheets sort of related to that topic. And the thing that is really good for my learning is that all the instruction, because it's immersion schools, all the instructions are in Ojibwe, and so I read the instructions in the language, and that gives me sort of something for me to look at the patterns, look at how they're describing these things, learn from, as well as helping the kids with, learning to say, to read, to find the sight word. So I printed out the sheets, and here are the kids sort of working through them. And they have, you can see in the background, their sound chart with the chameleon. And what I've done is the chameleon the sound chart, has stickers by each letter. So if they need help pronouncing a word, they don't need to come and ask me. They can always take the chameleon to the sound chart and tap it on the different letters in the word to hear it being said. And I think that that's one, helping them to feel empowered, that they don't have to come to me, that they can find the information they need, but also sort of helps them to make those connections to the letters and sounds. It's really handy because I feel like a lot of us spend so much time making everything ourselves. And so if we can not make everything, but use things that have been made by other really dedicated language professionals and put our time into our learning and that kind of thing, then everything's going to go faster. We'll be able to, add on to the work that's already being done and improve things. I think that for all of us, we want the next set of learners to be able to learn faster, to have the resources they need. And this is one way that we can help contribute to that, is by, using the things that exist, working together, supporting each other, and creating new materials to support the learners that are coming up behind us.